Hi guys, it's Kenny here. I'm so excited to announce that I've just listed this gorgeous home in Madeley, 8 Craighall Turn. Craighall Turn is a very quiet street, very family oriented, and you will love it here. The owners has been here for the last 15 years, and this house is huge. It's got 4 large bedrooms, study, activity, and a theater. And the outside is gorgeous with a in-ground pool. And also has got triple garage parking. If you're in the market for that exceptional home, don't miss this one. Come check this out. I'll look forward to seeing you guys.